Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how to change letter size to A4 size in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF file, check the paper size, go to File menu, Properties. There I have letter size paper. I will make this on A4 size. Go to File menu, Print, and select the Adobe PDF page setup and select the A4 OK and print. Give the new name of this file. Now check the paper size. Go to File menu, Properties and Paper size. Now this on page size is A4. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.